Okay, so the days of grinding for hours in an editing suite, yeah, those are officially numbered. Let's dive right into this blueprint and uncover exactly how the 2026 digital media landscape has completely shifted from manual, painstaking creative labor to fully automated high-fidelity cinematic synthesis. We are looking at a massive, fundamental transition away from traditional production. We're stepping directly into an era where generative physics engines like Sora 2 literally handle absolutely all of the heavy lifting for you, which completely redefines what it means to create and monetize digital assets at scale.
I mean, think about it for a second. What if you never had to touch a camera, adjust a lighting rig, or stare at a sluggish rendering timeline ever again? What if your server space just did all of that while you slept? It's pretty mind-blowing. Before we map out the exact architecture you need to build this hands-free revenue engine, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our high-retention, pro-level explainers. We've got a ton of ground to cover today to show you exactly how to dominate this incredible new landscape. So here's our master blueprint for today's explainer. We're going to cover 1. The era of autonomous media. 2. Identifying high-value visual gaps. 3. Engineering the generative pipeline. 4. Global distribution and protection. And finally, 5. Optimizing the hands-free engine. We'll walk chronologically through this exact pipeline so you can start orchestrating these autonomous agents yourself. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the era of autonomous media, moving from creator to architect. We've entered a radical new reality where raw server compute actually functions as a primary asset class, just like real estate, gold, or stocks. To win here, you have to completely shift your mindset. You're no longer the manual creator pulling your hair out over final cuts. You are the systems architect. Your job now is high-level orchestration, setting parameters, and letting the machines execute the vision. Now check out this massive economic shift. Back in 2024, the traditional model was entirely linear. You relied on heavy, specialized labor, VFX artists, and crazy expensive hardware, meaning a simple 10-second clip could easily run you up to $2,000. But by 2026, using autonomous pipelines like Sora 2, we are making exponential parallel API calls that cost mere dollars. And the tech itself? Totally revolutionized. Instead of manually keyframing every single pixel, we rely on stochastic physics. The AI mathematically predicts and generates real-world physics on the fly, how light bounces, how water splashes, with zero human input. That insane efficiency is exactly why compute is the ultimate currency right now. Moving to Section 2, identifying high-value visual gaps, the autonomous trend pulse. The entire success of this passive income engine relies on deploying LLM-based scraping agents. Think of tools like ScrapeGraph AI as the digital nervous system of your operation. These bots are your eyes and ears out there. They never sleep. They're constantly monitoring the global marketplace, analyzing social trends, and scanning search query databases to figure out what buyers are desperate for right this second. The real magic here is semantic search. Instead of relying on old-school web scraping that breaks the second a stock footage site updates its CSS, these agents use frameworks like FinSearch. They actually read and understand real-time market search data contextually, just like you or I would. Because they get the nuance, they can reliably spot true visual gaps. These are highly specific, super lucrative niches where buyers urgently need 8K cinematic sequences, but nobody has actually made them yet. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say a massive new fantasy film is announced online. Instantly, your agent detects a massive, totally unfulfilled demand spike for hyper-realistic Arctic mythical creatures. Boom. Without you lifting a single finger, it triggers your system to start producing those exact assets. Instead of a human 3D animation team spending 3 agonizing weeks rendering a snow dragon, your system capitalizes on the trend in minutes, feeding the market right at the absolute peak of buyer demand. Which brings us to Section 3, engineering the generative pipeline, synthesizing cinematic output. This is the crucial bridge connecting your trend-spotting agent to the Sora 2 API. To make this seamless, we rely on asynchronous architectures like WaveSpeed AI. Simply put, generating high-fidelity 4K video takes some serious processing time. An asynchronous setup means your system fires off the generation request to the AI and then immediately moves on to other tasks. It doesn't freeze, it doesn't crash, and it doesn't time out, waiting for a massive render. The factory floor just keeps moving. Now, your agent isn't just typing out some basic text prompts, it is literally acting as a virtual Hollywood director. It takes that raw trends data and meticulously maps it into explicit cinematography parameters. If the market is begging for cinematic depth, the system explicitly codes for a 50mm lens and a shallow f1.8 aperture.
Need a realistic ocean wave? It codes for viscous liquid fluid dynamics. It's perfectly translating human desires into the highly technical language needed for production-ready, ultra-realistic media every single time. But you might be wondering, how do we guarantee pro-level quality without human editors? That is the real trick here. The pipeline uses a four-step self-correcting QA loop, basically AI evaluating AI. First, it generates a candidate clip. Then, a separate critic model scores that clip against a strict visual rubric. If it spots any hallucination drift, like weird ghosting hands or warped backgrounds, it automatically rejects it and loops it through a revision branch. It continuously fixes its own mistakes until the asset is flawless. Literally, zero manual quality control required. Once that flawless asset gets the green light from the system, automated tools like Crea kick in to upscale the clips to a premium 4K or 8K resolution. But here's the real kicker. The best video in the world is useless if nobody can find it. So the system uses semantic recognition to actually watch the video it just generated. It grasps the visual context and instantly generates highly optimized SEO-friendly metadata tags like cinematic or physics accurate, maximizing its organic velocity and pushing it right to the top of buyers' search results. Section 4. Global Distribution and Protection. Monetizing the assets. After rendering and tagging, autonomous upload bots totally take over. They instantly ingest your newly minted assets into massive digital marketplaces. We're talking Shutterstock, Envato Elements, Getty Images, and Web3 private licensing hubs. There is absolutely no workflow fragmentation. You aren't downloading and manually re-uploading files to 5 different websites. Your command center is hardwired directly to the global cash register. Of course, protecting your intellectual property is a legal necessity, especially with strict new laws popping up in places like California. So your system automatically embeds invisible cryptographic watermarks into the files. We're talking about heavy-hitter tools here, like Google's SynthID, which survives file compression, or Amber Authenticate, which logs a permanent cryptographic hash right onto the Ethereum blockchain. Whether a buyer uses your clip on YouTube or a national commercial, your authenticity trail is locked in and legally bulletproof. And here is where the system gets brilliantly ruthless about revenue. It acts as an active sales manager using Bayesian optimization, which is just a fancy term for highly advanced predictive math. It automatically hikes the price on fast-selling, high-demand assets, and intelligently drops prices the second a visual niche starts getting saturated. It monitors global inventory and seasonal trends 24/7 to squeeze the absolute maximum financial yield out of every single clip. Section 5. Optimizing the hands-free engine, maximizing return on compute. By the time your pipeline is fully operational in 2026, your daily grind transitions entirely to governance. We're talking maybe a few hours a week reviewing your analytics dashboard and checking your return on compute margins to see exactly how much revenue every dollar of server power is generating. The agents do the heavy lifting, you just adjust the macro strategy, tweak budgets, and set risk caps. As those visual niches really start generating ROI, you scale up aggressively. You funnel profits right back into the system to purchase higher API tiers. Bumping up from standard to enterprise unlocks native 4K rendering and flawless complex 3D consistency. And because your AI pipeline is basically driven your labor costs down to zero, you systematically squeeze those traditional manual competitors completely out of the premium licensing categories. You just outproduce them at a fraction of the cost. Finally, future outlook, the tokenized agent economy. As this relentless engine matures, it integrates with Web3 frameworks like Virtual's protocols, ushering in a breathtaking tokenized economy. This pushes automation way beyond simple software scripts. We are talking about the birth of sovereign digital entities that operate as independent financial actors. This quote really sums it up perfectly. We're building a system where the architect provides the initial logic and the engine performs the relentless work of turning compute into currency while the owner sleeps. These AI agents will literally hold their own crypto wallets. They'll independently pay for their own compute and settle invoices using stablecoins, becoming a truly autonomous digital firm running completely in the background. So it leaves us with this huge question. In a fully tokenized, self-paying AI economy, where does human utility ultimately fit in? It's a massive paradigm shift that is completely redefining wealth creation. Think deeply about where you fit into this rapidly approaching landscape. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and master these autonomous systems with us, smash that like button on this video and subscribe to the channel for more pro-level explainers. See you in the next one.